the Cuda. September 22nd, 1972. Disinterested UAW workers in Hamtramck, Michigan. Bolted together number BS23H3B152355. Probably had no idea that 50 years ago somebody'd be commemorating its birthday. Let alone really love it with all my heart. We've been through a lot. A lot of other cars have came and gone. The Cuda's my constant. It was originally a 340 automatic. Now it's got a 4-speed. 4-speed's out of my Uncle Doug's 72 Cuda he had when I was a kid. It was blue with flames. Rolled it into a ball one night, and that car made a big impression on me, obviously. Her 340 got hurt. So luckily, I had this 383. It was in my 69 Charger. I'm still trying to decide if it's going to get a 340 again. It's one of those things that just seems right, but 340 or 383 runs really good. I love gold Morosos. The plan today, start blowing the dust off of it. Get her ready. I took it off the road in 1995 to paint it. As you can see, stuff gets in the way. So I realized when I was trying to finish up the video that I didn't really conclude it too well. I said that I took it off the road in 95 for a paint job, but it's been on the road a bunch of different times since then. And I've taken it apart and put it together a few different times, but this tire, I'm really ready to start tearing into it again, but also going to be tearing into that Roadrunner as well. But I owe this Cuda a paint job. I've had it for so long that it needs to be blue again. And I'm really thinking about flaming it. Because, as I stated, my Uncle Doug's car was blue with flames on it, and it sure as hell was cool looking to 6-year-old me. I can't imagine it'd be any less cooler to 47-year-old me. Damn, I'm happy to be here. So thanks if you watched the video. If you watched any other videos, you liked them, you subscribe, pass the word out. Trying to build up an audience. We're up to 256. I appreciate all of you. So happy birthday, Cuda. Random Precision Mopars.